Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. It's been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is faith. Faith. It's time to put some bite behind that bark. Walk behind that talk. You have an idea, you have a way of living, you have a new lifestyle, you have a new path, a new lifestyle, a new way to live, a new way to walk, a new belief, a new idea. I need you to believe in that and start putting work behind that, so you start making that a real, make it come to the real world in the 3D. Make it come to life. Start building the foundation to your goals, to your thoughts, because it's the perfect time to do that. It's time to prove that the things that you want are what you truly want. Faith without works are dead. Therefore, let's put in the work and we start turning that faith into something real. I'm confident I will achieve my goals because you always do. You're so hardworking and you are so successful. I live in the present and have faith in my future. We stay present and we layer our dreams brick by brick, thought by thought. Make sure you write a blueprint, pink print, put fingerprints on and footprints onto that, and also make timelines and deadlines where we can actually meet our goals and bring our goals to life. I firmly believe in my value within the universe because I need you. The entire world needs you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.